Let's look at decimals and look at how to multiply. So patterns with multiplying with decimals. So let's look at 15 times 0.3. The answer is 4.5 because there's one digit after the decimal. And if you look down, you can see the pattern all the way down. Now, as they get more complicated, you need to ignore the decimal points, do the multiplication sum, and then count the digits after the decimal place and put that into the answer so that it's the same. Let's look at a more trickier one now. So take out the decimal points and let's do the sum. 7 times 9, 63. 3 down, carry the 6. 7 times 1, well that's 7. Add the 6, giving us 13. 3 down, carry the 1. And 2 times 7, that's 14. Add the 1, giving us 15. And don't forget the important bit, add the 0, the double bubble. And let's begin. 3 times 9, 27. 7 down, carry the 2. 3 times 1, well that's 3. Add the 2, giving us 5. And 3 times 2, that's 6. Pop it down, put in the add sign and rule it off, and let's add. 3 times 0 is 3. And 3 times 7, that's 10. 0 down, carry the 1. 5 plus 5, also 10. Add the 1, giving us 11. So let's carry on the other one. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Add the 1, giving us 8. So there's our answer. We need to work out the decimal places, and as you can see, there's 3. 1, 2, 3. Put in the point, 8.103. Now an exam style question that you might get. Barry works for 17 hours and gets paid £6.50 per hour. So you need to work this out. So take the decimals out, do the sum, then put them back in. 6.50 times 17. So there we have it. So let's have a look. 7 times 0, that's 0. 7 times 5, 35. 5 down, carry the 3. And 7 times 6, that's 42. Add the 3, giving us 45. And on to the next line. Important, don't forget, double bubble, add your 0. 1 times 0, that's 0. And 1 times 5, nice and easy, that's 5. And 1 times 6 is 6. We're going to add them together, rule it off. Let's go. Our first one there is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 5 there is 10. 0 down, carry the 1. And 6 plus 4 is also 10. Add the 1, giving us 11. Now let's have a look at how many decimal places there needs to be. And we'll count 1, 2, 3. Let's pop them in. There goes the decimal point. 11.050 is your answer.